Ever wondered how restaurants create those stunning crispy decorations on plated dishes? Today, I am showing you the chef's secret black lace tuile. I am Dom. We start with all-purpose flour. This gives structure and crispiness. Activated charcoal gives that dramatic black color. Butter creates that lace effect. And neutral oil helps create those signature holes. Now shake until everything is smooth and fully combined. Pour into a medium hot non-sticky pan and watch the magic happen. As it cooks, the water begins to evaporate rapidly, pushing the oil outwards and creating those beautiful lace-like holes. Don't rush this stage. Let all the bubbling slow down naturally. That's how you know most of the moisture is gone. Once the bubbling stops and the twist looks dry and crispy, it's ready to remove. And just like that, we have made our black lace tuile, the perfect garnish to elevate any dish with a professional restaurant finish. Check out my playlist for more easy restaurant techniques. Till we meet the next one, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.